Hello, hi, good afternoon, friends. Happy weekend. So I'm here coming online. The reason for me to come online is to just to show the stocks for positional trading. This is specifically for the positional trading, not for intraday, because I'm using a larger time frame to analyze the stocks over here. So as you can see here, the first stock is ACC Cement. The first stock is ACC Cement. So the basic thing I will tell you. So here I will be showing you the potential stocks which have a high potential breakout tendency, that too in the larger time frame. So that is the 1 day time frame, as you can see here. So these stocks, the list of stocks which I'm going to be sharing my views would be for positional, entirely for positional trading, not for intraday. Okay, so let's start the my analysis for the stocks. Okay, so the first stock is ACC. As you can see here, clearly it is trading in this trend line. Below this trend line, it is respecting this trend line n number of times, and now it may break out on the either side. Which way? So one has to learn how to predict the market. Here no one is 100%, no one can predict the market 100%. So the probability, it what is matters here. As you can see here now, how can one say that it will break on the upside or the downside? Okay, so one, by learning the price action, confirmations, candlestick patterns, so all these such things can, and one can predict which way the market could break out probably. Okay, so those things, how, which way the, how to predict the which way the market would break up, and what are the confirmations once broke up, where to enter, so how to draw these lines, how to draw these channels, so what are the lagging indicators which will be useful. So I basically train on price and volume. I don't believe on any lagging indicators, but here in the chart, as you can see, I've used this Bollinger Bands and the volume chart and the stochastic also. So in the, if anyone out there interested to join, I will tell you my strategy. I will teach you how to predict the market, how to predict, say that which way the ACC would break out, and what if after breaking out, what is the next step to do. So immediately, whether to go for a buy or wait for some candles or wait for some confirmations to happen. So what are those confirmation, those things and all, you will be learning in my price action classes. So that's a paid classes which I conduct every weekend. So, okay, so interested any guys, they can contact me or WhatsApp me on my number. Past from a few 1 week, I am not available on the WhatsApp, so they can just chat me, ping me on my Facebook or on Telegram channel. Okay, so coming back to the stocks here, so as you can see here, the ACC, it's now trading in an uptrend. So most of the stock which I take for positional would be obviously uptrended stocks, because we can't hold the stocks in cash, in the cash segment for the more than a day. So I probably most of the like professionals, they do trade on the stocks which have an high potential uptrend, which has higher highs and lower lows forming. So we do select such stocks. Okay, so this is one of the stocks. So wait for the breakout of for the ACC, which if we get a very good breakout, then we will enter either sides. Okay, so the next stock here is Wipro. As you can see here, Wipro also in the similar pattern, it is trading which is in trading in higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows, and here at this point there will be some breakout on the either side. So which side the breakout would be, and how to predict it, and how to judge, and where to enter and where to exit, these are the question marks one should answer himself. Without these questions answered, you can't enter the market. Okay, so this is one of the potential stocks, that is Wipro. So if we so one, you have to learn how to draw this trend line, which all the points, basically you will get all those things in the online. But getting information, everyone can get information online, but implementing it properly, exactly, precisely, that's what matters. Okay, so this is what about Wipro, and the next stock we will go here, that would be NCC. NCC, as you can see here, NCC already had a nice breakout. NCC had a nice breakout here. So what my suggestions would be, going following up any candles with a huge spread with a high volume, it's good, but don't enter at these points because already the stop loss would be more. So wait for the retest to happen over here, wait for the retest, and then buy for the wait for the target. Okay, but at this point it is a crucial point over here. So how one will come to know that at the retest it is it is retesting? How we'll come to know the stock is retesting? It may, something goes wrong, it may come all the way down also. So this is where the price action plays a vital role. One will have to look out for some confirmations, price action confirmations, volume confirmations, patterns confirmation at this point. Okay, then only you have to buy when after the retest. Okay, so those confirmation is very important. So learning those confirmations is what matters, and testing those confirmations and practicing by drawing these trend lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, whatever the lines, and how to draw precisely is what matters. Okay, so this is the next stock which is already taken a breakout, and watch for in coming days for the retest and enter. Okay, and the next stock is Bata India. Bata India also same as NCC, has a very good breakout over here. As you can see here, at this point it has a very good breakout here. So wait for some confirmation over here, wait for few candles to form, and take your decision, because it's also an uptrend stock which were very good recently. In the quarters it has a very good results also. So let's hope for Bata for the upper side. And one more thing, after breakout, what is the target, where to set the target? So these are all the questions one should be having. And if you set the target, should we wait till the target is been at, let's say 1810 is the target, so what, we have to wait till 1810, or we have to exit early? Then what is the percentage till where we should wait? So these are all the questions in the in the trader's mind. So amateur traders, one should know all such things. Okay, so these are all practical things, these are not the things which we can say just okay, keep 1:2 ratio, risk to reward ratio. So these are all the things which would be very nice to read, which are very nice on the textbooks, but coming to the practical things, it won't work. That is entirely different. Okay, so the next stock is Adani Enterprises. As all know, the news say that Adani is giving very good returns nowadays. All the stocks, most of the Adani Power, Adani, all are zooming. So this is one of the stock. As you can see, the stock is nicely trading in an uptrend, nice uptrend, very strong uptrend, very strong uptrend. Which was trading in this channel. Now it has broken out, now it has broken out here. Okay, so and it is retesting here, and boom. So in the coming days, if Adani Enterprises would go, so where is the target for Adani Enterprises? What is the target? What is the target for Adani Enterprises? And how do we know that it would reverse from here? How, what are the confirmation one should look for? So these are all the doubts, because after entering it may come down again. So till where it will come down? What is the stop loss we have to keep? So these are all the practical things, and just learning drawing and trend line will not help you. So this would involve emotions at this particular point of time. You should wait for this stop loss. If you know that okay, this is the stop loss 100%, then everyone would wait. So here the cases are all, we are into probabilities only, there is no 100% here. So till where we have to wait technically. So that's what it matters. Okay, so to learn all this, learn first and then trade, join my classes. Okay, so this is the all about Adani Enterprises. The next stock will go is Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy, I think this is the 3 days back chat. I think already it's given the breakout over here. It's already given a breakout, and I think it is retesting over here. So if you check the recent chart, it is retesting here. So wait for the guys, wait for the confirmation and take the profit. Okay, so look, take this whatever I'm telling you, watch for 1 week all these stocks and see the results. Okay, so the next stock would be Ultratech Cement. Ultratech Cement also, see it's standing in this resistant level only. It is at the place where it is about to break any time. Okay, it is about to break anytime. It may break anytime at this point. So this is how one has to select the stocks. It's not just screeners. Those are all like bullshit. You can't just believe on the screener. It is what you have to create a screener by yourself, by watching the chats, analyzing the chats. We have to create the screener. Like how I have shortlisted these stocks. That is what the screener is all about. Okay, so don't depend on ready-made screeners. You yourself learn to how to select the stocks and filter the stocks. Okay, so and here the next stock would be TVS Motor. TVS Motor also, it's trading at 637, and you can see what kind of a resistance level it has been trading from long time, and it is in the place where it may break anytime. It may break anytime. So watch out, guys. These are all the stocks which are selected to watch out, which can have an high potential returns. You may expect 20, 30, 40% returns with these kind of stocks by trading this kind of stocks. Okay, okay, guys. And the next stock here is Petronet. Petronet, as you can see here, it's already broken down. It's already broken down here. Wait for few candles, wait for the retest on the either side. It's not meant for the upper side or the either side, but this stock only you can trade. You can't trade positional because I think it is in a bit negative frame until unless this comes back and trades. If you, our entry point will be somewhere here, so wait for this entry point. So waiting game, friends. The stock market is all about waiting, patience. It will check your patience, it will check your mental strength. So that's what it is. Just having an strategy with 100% doesn't work if you're mentally weak, and you're not that strong. So that doesn't matter. So having strategy will not help you. uh, uh, like following that strategy, discipline, having some patience, and being emotionally, mentally strong, what is matters in stock market. Okay, so wait for Petronet to again reverse back if possible. If it is going down, then we can trade that, we can short that in an intraday. Okay, so this is not intraday. This is not an intraday stock. Sorry, positional stock right now until unless it comes back and trades above. Okay. And the next stock here is JSW Steel. JSW Steel, as you can see here, after breaking the triangular pattern here, after breaking the triangular pattern over here, it is not able to move. So as you can see, the low momentum of this stock, of the prices over here. So once the breakout, it is doing the retest, and breakout is not that strong. So that's the reason it may be waiting for some news. It may go up. So it's a waiting game near the stop loss. It's almost near the stop loss. So let's wait for the retest and let it come a bit on the upper side, and then we will enter. Okay, let it break this thing. Let it trade above this. That is 723. 723. Okay, so let it trade above the 723, then we may have a good chance on the upper side till 775. 23 to 75, almost 50 points. Okay. And the next stock is Infosys. Infosys also has broken the thing, and it is going to test I think so, because this all stocks, most of the stocks are Nifty 50 stocks. So it depends upon Nifty in coming days. It's trading all time, but it's very strong. Nifty is going really very strong. So if we get a retest of such stocks, then it would be really great entry for all of these stocks. Okay. And the next is this is Indigo. Indigo, as you can see, it's the news. As per the news, the stock is not that good, but here what it matters for a professional trader is what is the stock is good or bad, will make money. Okay, so as you can see, so much many times it has tested this resistance. Okay, so what happens here, we have to wait and watch. This is a waiting game. Let if it breaks down, make money in intraday. It breaks above with a good confirmation and enter at the retest and make profits. Okay, the target would be the distance of this rectangle. The same way this will go and reach. Okay, so wait for this. So these are all the positional stocks. You have to wait for the entry. If you don't have patience, you can't make money here, guys. Okay, and the next stock is Hindustan Lever. So this is also at the breaking point. Let's wait for the good breakout. Okay, Cipla, all the medical stocks, all the pharmaceutical stocks are having a very good run. Okay, at the stock market. So this is also had a breakout over here. Let's wait for the retest. Don't get or jump into the trade, because it may again reverse back, hit your stop loss. So it's better wait patiently and then enter. Okay. The next stock is Bharat Petroleum Corporation. It's already had a breakout and it is going towards the target 560. Okay. KRBL. This is also one of the finest stocks which is having a very good fundamentals. And in the coming days, watch out for this a place. Okay, and watch out for this place. If any breakout, retest, boom. So the target would be somewhere around 320. Entry would be around 220. So almost 100 points on the cards. Okay. And the next stock is Tata Motors. Tata Motors was an underrated stock for a few months ago, but now see from where some 70 rupees to 360 what it has come all the way. So it has already taken a breakout here. It's already taken a breakout at this resistance. So let's hope it comes. It is coming for a retest, and then boom. The target would be somewhere around 400 plus. Okay. And the next stock, friends, it is Bemel. Bemel, see, this stock also had a nice breakout here at this point. At this point, it has a nice breakout at this point. So it is doing the retest almost near the retest point. So we'll look for very good confirmation. If it is reversing from here, we'll buy. Okay. And the next stock, that's it. Okay, these are all the stocks which have been shortlisted. So guys, in the coming weeks, draw lines, put all these stocks into your watch list and draw such lines and keep watching. If any breakout happens and you enter. Okay, so how to enter, where to exit, how to draw the lines, what are the confirmations we have to look before we enter the trade. For all these questions, you can join my price action classes which I conduct every weekends. Okay, for more information on that, you can WhatsApp me. Right now I'm not using that number, but later on in the coming week I'll get back to WhatsApp, so you can call me on that number, text me, ping me on Facebook, Telegram channel, on my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading this video very shortly to my Telegram channel as well as YouTube channel. I'm on the Twitter also. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope this information would be helpful for you to trade in the coming days. And please do comment me, message me if anyone out there profit from such calls. Okay, Thank you guys. Have a good day. We'll get back to you with more such videos and with more such calls. Okay. Bye. Take care.